I want to pause because if we look at the before and afters on the outside alone, wow. When we first pulled up to this house and walked in for the first time, you couldn't see the house. We pulled up and went, there's a house back there.
Well, keep in mind, this house also had what we call integrated gutters. If we have early video of that, the integrated gutters are kind of like across the street where they're built into the roof. We removed those and actually put regular gutters on the house.
Okay.
What that did is it kind of brought it into the modern century because nobody has integrated gutters anymore. That's a very 50s, 60s thing. There's a few other houses here that have it, but not to have it is worth it.
Yeah. So let's talk about some of the stuff we've done on the outside.
So I basically just trimmed it all up.
Yeah, and I think they scaled up.
Yeah, repainted the house, fixed siding, or new roof. We talked about new gutters, all new gutters on it, all these soffit boards been replaced.
I know we've talked about this, but there was another transformation that happened, I think 2 in this room alone.
Oh, the wall?
The wall and the windows too, yeah.
Well, we just replaced the windows. The windows were there. We just put new windows in.
Okay.
So luckily, in this vintage house, the window sizes were you can purchase them at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Okay.
They weren't odd size, so that made it easy for us.
Can you share what the team did back here?
Well, I think you know what they did back here. I mean, obviously, they trimmed all the bushes back.
Yep.
Removed the shed, built a new fence in the back. And we stained all this fence to make it match because it was multicolored before.